Cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that uses cryptography for security, operating independently of a central bank. Blockchain, the underlying technology, serves as a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures transparency and prevents any single point of failure, making it resistant to tampering. Blockchain is essentially a chain of blocks, where each block contains a number of transactions. Every time a new transaction occurs, a record is added to every participant's ledger. This decentralized approach promotes a high level of integrity and trustworthiness in the data stored. The allure of cryptocurrencies and blockchain is in their capability to provide secure, fast, and anonymous transactions. By eliminating intermediaries, transactions on blockchain are faster and often cheaper than traditional methods. This foundational technology has the potential to revolutionize not only the financial world, but numerous other sectors. Bitcoin, introduced in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known today. It was designed as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system to bypass traditional banking infrastructure. The impact of Bitcoin was profound, showing that digital currencies could operate outside the control of governments and major financial institutions. Its decentralized nature appealed to those who sought greater privacy and control over their financial transactions. Bitcoin's design solved critical issues like the double spending problem through the innovative use of blockchain technology. This ensured that once a transaction was recorded, it could not be altered, enhancing trust in digital transactions. The rise of Bitcoin has inspired the creation of numerous other cryptocurrencies, each seeking to improve or refine the concepts introduced by Bitcoin. The growth of Bitcoin and its successors has sparked a global discussion on the future of money. While Bitcoin introduced blockchain for managing digital cash, the potential applications extend far beyond cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is being explored for its ability to revolutionize sectors like healthcare, supply chain management, and electoral systems. In healthcare, blockchain can secure the storage and sharing of medical records, ensuring patient privacy and improving data accuracy. The supply chain industry benefits from blockchain by enhancing transparency and accountability in logistics. Products can be tracked in real time, providing consumers with detailed information about the origin and journey of their purchases. This improves efficiency in the supply chain by reducing fraud and errors. Blockchain's impact on voting systems could be transformative, offering a way to conduct secure, transparent elections with reduced risk of fraud. By encrypting votes and recording them on a blockchain, it becomes nearly impossible to alter votes once they are cast. Since the advent of Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency landscape has evolved significantly. Today, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, each with unique features and purposes. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, self-executing contracts, with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This has opened up possibilities for automating complex processes and creating decentralized applications beyond simple currency transactions. Ethereum's platform has become a foundation for developing decentralized finance, or DeFi applications, which aim to recreate traditional financial systems with blockchain technology. DeFi applications offer increased accessibility, reduced costs, and enhanced transparency. Other cryptocurrencies like Ripple and Litecoin focus on specific needs within the ecosystem, such as improving transaction speeds and reducing costs. The diversity in cryptocurrencies today shows the versatility and adaptability of blockchain technology. The potential of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies to transform the financial landscape continues to generate both excitement and skepticism. The adoption of these technologies is not without challenges. Issues like regulatory uncertainty, scalability, and security concerns must be addressed. However, ongoing innovations in blockchain technology are gradually overcoming these barriers, paving the way for more widespread adoption. Blockchain can lead to more transparent, efficient, and secure financial operations, potentially eliminating the need for costly intermediaries. This could democratize access to financial services, making them more accessible to underserved populations. Beyond finance, blockchain's implications extend to creating more transparent governments, enhancing personal privacy, and contributing to sustainability. The technology's capacity to securely and efficiently manage data, makes it a valuable tool in combating some of the world's most pressing issues. The future of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is not just about digital money. It's about rethinking the fabric of our digital society.